Meaning of Gabon.
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 Gabon. Gabon is a country located on the west coast of Africa, bordered by Equatorial Guinea, Cameroon, and the Republic of Congo. The name Gabon is believed to have originated from the Portuguese word gabeo, meaning cloak. Gabon gained independence from France in 1960 and has a population of approximately 2 million people. The country is known for its rich biodiversity, with tropical rainforests covering over 80% of its land area. Its economy is heavily dependent on oil exports and the timber industry, but efforts are being made to diversify through ecotourism and sustainable development initiatives.